Ta-da! Here we are. Here's the T160 I've been rebuilding. Finally finished, hopefully. Engine rebuilt now for the third time. And this time, hopefully, well, I know it's not smoking. And hopefully with valve guides that are now nice in properly, so they don't leak anymore, so we're not going to burn any oil. I've started it up and seems to be fine, not burning any oil at all, so I'm really happy. So today is quite a sunny Saturday, so it's its first little ride out, fettling ride out, and hopefully everything will be okay. So I'm going to take it out Derbyshire, give it a good run, give it a good sort of 30, probably 20-30 mile run around Derbyshire, and hopefully no issues will arise. Then when we're back, I'll retort the head, reset the tappets, and just give everything a good check over after the shakedown ride, and depending on any issues that arise during that. And hey, we should be done at last. It's a lovely bike. It's a lovely bike, and hopefully it's great. But I'll be glad when it's gone, because it's overstayed its welcome a bit now. Not the fault of the bike, of course, not at all. Beautiful bike. And I'll tell you what, it starts absolutely on the button every time. Just poof, starts better than my Trident. It does. Yeah, just touch the button, poof, it's off. Cold, hot or cold, great. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not going to film the actual ride. I might stop now and again just to check the bike over, and I'll do a little video. But there we are, the 1975 T160. Now finally finished. I'm just checking a couple of things. Yeah, we're all okay there. Yeah, and yeah, so I'm very happy. But well, I'm happy at the moment. Hopefully I'll be just as happy when I get back from the ride, which is a real proof of the pudding. Here we go. Wow, here we are back again. And that was so good. Oh, I'm so pleased. It just rides, it runs really well, really smooth, pulls like a train, absolutely no smoke whatsoever. Really smooth, great, so I'm really very pleased with it. Yeah, so at last I'm very happy. So that's great, really nice ride, really everything great. So what I'm going to do now is I'll get it in the garage, and I'll take the tank back off, and I'll just re-torque the head down. Yeah, I did 40 miles, just over 40 miles, so giving it a proper shakedown. It was just great, and yeah, really nice. I'm just going to adjust the clutch up. What I'm going to do now, before I put it in the garage, I'm just going to double check the tuning on the carbs. I think they're pretty spot on, but I'll just do that now while the engine's hot, and yeah, then we'll get it in and we'll retort the head down, and I'll readjust the tappets, and it's good to go back to the owner. Just need to polish it back up a bit where hit a few puddles and that on the way, because it's the weather's good today, but it's been really wet. So out in Derbyshire there's the odd puddle here and there. But yeah, really pleased. Everything working, everything good, and I'm very happy, very relieved, and ready to go back to the owner, who I'm sure will be very happy with it. Hurrah, hurrah, hurrah! Job done.